Super excited for this video because what I'm gonna do in this video is share with you how you can make $5,000 all the way to $50,000 a year reselling AI voice agents to local businesses. Now, this service is specifically going to be available for anybody who is in our mentorship program. Whether you're in the high ticket or the low ticket program, this is going to be available to you completely white labeled so that you can go ahead and offer this to your clients from day one. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. In this video, I'm going to be going over the new service, AI Voice Agents, specifically for lead generation, which we have launched that is accessible to all Agency School and Agency Protocols members. You will be able to add this as a one-off service inside of your offer and resell this to your customers from $5K all the way to $50K a year directly to your customers. And the cool part about this is completely white labeled. So you will not need to build this infrastructure from the ground up. Instead, it's going to be white labeled and you can start offering it to your clients. Just like the many things that we have in our consulting agency, the 5 different client acquisition systems where we will build out the infrastructure and have people do outreach on your behalf, for example, so that you don't have to sit there and do the tedious work of actually building the infrastructure, but also doing the outreach yourself. The same applies with this, right? Rather than you taking months, if not years, to learn how AI agents works and actually building out the actual infrastructure, we will do this for you completely white labeled and you'll be able to offer it to your customers. So what is AI voice agents? Well, AI voice agents, specifically for lead generation, are advanced tools or softwares powered by artificial intelligence that automate, enhance, and support the process of contacting leads. They use technologies like natural language processing, NLP, machine learning, and predictive analysis. Okay, and they use this to do the following: identify and prioritize high qualified leads, automate dialing and leaving voicemails and scheduling follow-ups, provide real-time scripts and semantic analysis for better engagement, as well as handle initial outreach, qualify leads, and transfer warm prospects to human agents. I know a lot of this is like, what the heck is this guy talking about? I implore you to watch this video in its entirety. I'm just giving you an overview, and we will, the rest of this video will explain to you exactly how all this works in detail. So these voice agents streamline workflows, personalize outreach, and improve conversion rate by making cold calling more efficient and data-driven. Here's an example, okay? This might not be the best example, but I'm trying to paint you a picture here. So let's say a real estate agent has 1,000 leads that need to be contacted. Okay, well, having AI voice agents in the infrastructure for that can eliminate the need for human intervention and ensure consistent follow-up, operating 24/7, 365 days a week. So if a real estate agent has a bunch of leads that need to be contacted, rather than having a human being do it, that can only work, let's say 8 hours, that needs a smoke break, that needs insurance, that can't work at night or can't work during the day, with AI voice agents, it can do this 24 hours, 7 days a week, 365 days around the clock. And the same applies to any business that relies on human interaction for lead generation or lead nurturing. Any business that requires a human being to physically call the leads or nurture them, AI voice agents can replace all of those people. So just imagine how powerful it is. Imagine how many businesses actually use human beings to do this. Well, all of this can be eliminated. So you can imagine how much money you would be saving a business if they had this infrastructure built out. And the cool thing, you guys will be able to offer this to your clients completely for free. And not only that, we'll also show you guys how to be able to resell this, how to be able to articulate this value to your customers, providing you with sales assets and everything that you need to actually go out there and make this work. So how does this all work? Okay, well, just like the 5 client acquisition systems that we have in place at Agency School or Agency Protocols, you will need to, number one, first understand how this works, because if you don't know how it works, how are you going to be able to go out there and articulate it to your customers? But you will not be required to build it out yourself. So you just need to know how it works. You don't need to necessarily build this out yourself. We'll go ahead instead build this out for you and manage it from end to end by us, and you will be able to go ahead and resell this to your customers for whatever price that you would like. Okay, so how do you go ahead and get started? Well, number one, you need to go ahead and watch the rest of this video to understand this idea in more detail. And if you are interested afterwards, please feel free to reach out to me and we'll guide you through the next step on exactly what it is that you need to do in order for us to qualify you. Now, we can't just offer this to anybody. We have to make sure that you are qualified by, number one, understanding exactly how this works, and number two, being able to see if you're competent enough to go out there and sell this to your customers. So please watch the rest of this video, which will explain all this in detail. And if you are interested, go ahead and shoot me a message, and I'd be more than happy to go ahead and get you started with this by, again, helping you resell AI voice agents to your customers, or whether it's within your offer or a one-off service. So I'm going to have Samit, who is going to be heading this entire white label program, explain to you in the rest of this video in more detail exactly how this works. So I recommend that you watch this video in its entirety, because we're going to break all of this down and explain to you exactly what AI voice agents is, why businesses need it, and how you essentially will be able to go out there and resell this to your customers for, again, $5,000 all the way to $50,000 a year, completely white labeled.
How to live a good life. And to live a good life, you need to know what is a good life. Uh, there are different definitions of good life. For some, it's material wealth, luxury cars, lavish pensions, and a high status. For others, it's about self sacrifice, meditation, spirituality, and inner peace. But what's the right path? What's good for you? And there's a problem. Many chase what society defines as success without clarity on what truly matters to them. This leads to wasted energy, frustration, and often regret. And to just clarify that, there is a scientific approach. Abraham Maslow, a renowned psychologist, created the hierarchy of needs to explain human motivation. As you can see here, physiological needs, basics like food, water, and shelter, and most of the people are suffering because they are not able to fulfill these needs. Like maybe telling about homeless people, and that their safety needs, security, health, and stability. Most of the majority of the world are suffering from this. Like they don't have job security, they don't have a good health, they don't have a stability in their life. And then there's love and belongingness, relationships, connections, and intimacy. Like a lot of people don't have good friends in their life. And then there's esteem, respect, recognition, and self confidence. So respect comes with by doing something which is unconventional, you know, and recognition, self confidence. This comes with doing something better than others, and then there's self actualization, rehacking your full potential and purpose in life. So this comes with by learning about yourself, being spiritual. So all the thing you have seen here, like these are necessary needs for any human being to survive, to live a good life, you know. So let's move forward with that. So what's the key insight? Each level builds on the one below it, but here's the twist. Achieving most of these needs comes down to having the right resources, and one resource stand out as the meta need that unlocks nearly everything else. And what is this meta need? That's where the conversation shifts, because understanding and leveraging this one key can change everything. And you know what is meta need? Money. Everyone needs money, and it's a transactional value. Like if you need something from someone, you just need to give it to that person, like give that person exchange value, and that is money, you know. So let's see how to get money by providing value. And what is value? Value can mean many things depending on your perspective, but at its core, it's something that others deem worth exchanging for. Value can be a product, a service, or even an idea that solves a problem or enhances someone's life. To get resources like money, which, let's face it, is often needed to meet your physiological safety and esteem needs, you must provide something valuable to others. Whether you are a business owner, a freelancer, or a student, you have something to trade in exchange for the resources you need. Let's look at Alex Hormozy's value equation. Value is equal to dream outcome times perceived likelihood of achievement upon time delay times effort and sacrifice. So, what can be the dream outcome? So, let's say you promise X amount of revenue in 10 days. And then, what's the perceived likelihood of achievement? It's your case studies, testimonials that can create perceived likelihood of achievement. And what's the time delay? Like you said, 10 days. It's like how much time it will take to get that dream outcome. So that is time delay. And what's the effort and sacrifice? That they don't have to do anything. So it can be, value can be something like this: X amount of revenue in 10 days. So, and you don't have to do anything. We have provided X amount of revenue for this company. So that's the whole offer. So that's how it works with the value equation. And if you can get the time delay and effort and sacrifice to zero, then there's infinite value because they don't have to do anything, and you are giving their dream outcome as quickly as possible. So there's zero time delay. So this is all about value, and let's move forward. How you can provide value. So there are value driven vehicles. Value driven vehicles are systems or business models that solve problems, meet demands, or improve efficiency for others. Examples include products, physical or digital tools that fulfill needs or desires, services, solutions that address specific pain points, example, customer support, business consulting, AI automation, scalable systems that reduce manual effort, improve efficiency, and lower costs. So, if you are watching this video, you are already providing some kind of product or service. And let's talk about AI automation in the next page. So, what is AI? To know more about AI automation, you need to know what is AI. So, artificial intelligence is a set of technologies that enable computers to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making. In simple language, it's just if and else. So, if you are, let's say, you are making a robot, and robot's functionality is if someone comes in front of him, that robot should punch, else don't punch. So that is how it goes on coding too. Let's take it with this example. Int number is equal to 5. If number is greater than 0, execute this code, like whatever the condition is written there. Else execute this. So as you can see, if like the number is like greater than 0, 5 is greater than 0, so it will execute this code, not this one. So that is how it works with AI too, and it's as simple as that. Yeah. So what are the IRL use cases of AI? Because we know about AI, but what's in it for everyone? What's in it for humans? So AI has many real world applications. Large language models can generate human like responses for simple Q&A, drafting, and brainstorming. So to understand LLMs, you can know like what ChatGPT. Yeah, if you have used ChatGPT is just a LLM. Yeah. So LLMs can be ChatGPT's 3.5 version or 4.0 mini. And let's move forward with RAG. Second one. Retrieval augmented generation combines LLMs with external knowledge to provide accurate context aware answers. So RAG can be ChatGPT for real time version because it has connection to the internet. So we can say it's retrieval augmented generation that combines LLMs. And then there's agents. AI agents can autonomously handle complex tasks by using memory, planning, and tools. So these AI agents can be built using Zapier. If you have used Zapier, that is the most common example of it. So, what are the types of agents? AI agents come in a variety of forms, each tailored to specific use cases and user needs. Two of the most prominent types are text-based agents and voice agents. Text-based AI agents are the software applications that use natural language processing and generation to communicate with users through text-based interfaces such as chatbots or messaging platforms. These agents can assist you with a wide range of tasks, from customer service and information lookup to task automation and personalized recommendations. On the other hand, AI voice agents, also known as visual assistants, are designed to interact with users through voice commands and speech recognition technology. These agents can perform a variety of tasks, hand-free tasks, such as setting reminders, playing music, and controlling smart home devices. If you know Amazon Alexa, you know, and then there's Google Assistant. These are also AI voice agents controlling smart home devices all through natural language interactions. So let's know more about AI voice agents. AI voice agents are software applications that use artificial intelligence to interact with users through voice commands. They can perform a variety of tasks, including answering customer questions, scheduling appointments, setting reminders, managing schedules, providing recommendations, triaging customer queries, performing complex tasks across multiple applications. So these are the things can be done by AI voice agents. So let's move forward. And how to turn this opportunity in gold? Automate business operations, streamline support, scheduling, and task management, reduce cost by replacing manual processes with AI driven automation, enhance customers' experience, offer 24/7 personalized interactions to boost customer satisfaction with quick, efficient service. And what are the monetization options for you? Implement subscription models with ongoing updates and support. Use freemium models for basic features with paid upgrades. Leverage AI agents for lead generation and data collection. And what are the advanced capabilities of this? Let's see. Integrate seamlessly across platforms for unified solutions. Enable voice activated actions like bookings and purchases. Prioritize natural human like interactions for better engagement. Data and analytics. Collect and analyze customer data to gain insights. Use this data to refine customer journeys and optimize business processes. So this is how you can turn this opportunity in gold, and we'll say more in next slide. Let's see. Why your client need AI voice agents to scale their businesses? The problem with traditional growth models, they are mostly reliant on human talent. You know, talent drives most businesses today, but good talent comes with high cost, low margins, and limitations. And what's a growth trap? To double revenue, businesses often need to hire more staff, increasing costs, invest more time managing teams. This leads to proportional expense growth and increased stress. And there are team challenges too. Managing a team means managing people's lives. Employees can be sick, unmotivated, or make mistakes. Hiring and training replacements takes time. This creates zero security for the business. You know. So what's the difference between growth and scale? Because it's very important to know. Growth, revenue increases, so do expenses. As you can see, revenue is increasing in proportion to expense. Scale, revenue increases, but expenses remain fixed. As you can see, after some time, expense is fixed here. It's not going more than this. But if you can see here, revenue can be infinite from here, because it can go up and up. You know, so growing is equal to high stress plus more energy needed. Scaling, less stress plus runs on autopilot. So that's just leveraged. And how you can get this leverage? Let's see. Why AI voice agents are the future? No more hiring constraints. AI voice agents handle tasks that would require multiple human agents. No sick days, no mistakes, no resignations. Fixed costs for exponential growth. Unlike human talent, AI scales without proportional increases in cost. One AI voice agent can handle unlimited calls or tasks, providing consistent service 24/7. Improved efficiency and accuracy. AI voice agents never get tired or distracted. They follow scripts perfectly, adapt using AI learning, and deliver results consistently. Enhances business security. Even if employees leave or clients scale up demand, AI voice agents keep the business running smoothly. What this means for your clients: double or triple their capacity without doubling their expenses, reduce the stress of managing a team, scale faster with predictability and stability, gain a competitive edge by providing faster and more efficient customer service or sales. So, what's in it for you? By offering AI voice agents as a part of your white label service, you are giving your clients the tools to scale their businesses sustainably. High retention, clients stay longer because they see results. Increased value, you are offering a cutting edge solution no one else is providing at scale. Scalable income, more clients is equal to more revenue for you without increasing your workload. The future is AI. Let's bring it to clients. With the AI voice agents, your clients will replace limitations with leverage, replace growing pains with scaling power. So, how you can do this? If you haven't chosen niche, pick a niche, and how you will know that you are in right niche? You are in right niche if you can put yourself in your ideal client shoes. So, let's say you are running ad campaigns, marketing campaigns for real estate agents, and these real estate agents doesn't just have only one problem related to marketing. No, they have more problems than just marketing. They could be a bad closer, you know. So if you will just put yourself in their shoes and think like, yeah, I'm a real estate agent, what are the problems I'm facing, and then pick a service. Now if you are able to put yourself in your ideal client's shoes, now you should put into this, no, that's a joke. Now think about what are the problems you are facing and how you can solve using your skills are times niche problems and is equal to solution. So if you don't have to go anywhere to do market research, because you are just becoming a real estate agent now, and you are just seeing like what are the problems you're facing. You don't have to become a real estate agent. You don't have to go and start a business like they are doing. No, just go in their shoes mentally. Just think it like that. And if you've done this, let's go for appointment booking. 4 ways to acquire clients: outreach, cold calls and SMS campaigns, email marketing, content creation, YouTube and Instagram videos, blog posts, and podcasts. And for the paid ads, you can do Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube ads. And was the fourth way: groups, communities, and networks. Build a referral network with your ideal clients so your clients can refer other clients. So now you have booked the appointment. Now you have to follow a sales process. So sales process can be divided in 3 calls: discovery call, demo call, onboarding call. On the discovery call, understand client needs, qualify leads, book demo call if qualified. And how you will qualify them? By asking questions. Asking questions and see if they are the right fit or not. And in this call, you are not going to pitch anything to them. You are just seeing like if you can help them or not. And once they are qualified, book the demo call. And on the demo call, showcase AI voice agent solution, address objections, whatever objection they give, go like overcome all the objections, and after that go for yes or no. No maybes, because maybes are worse than, because maybes are just going to waste your time, you know. So if they are saying maybe, they have something, they have some kind of objection, or they have some kind of problem, so you just have to address that on the call. And if they are saying no, that means yeah, they are serious about it. So the no problem, just close the deal, just close the call with just keeping the doors open for future. And if they are saying yes, close the deal, take onboarding call if yes. Yeah. So what you will do on the onboarding call: deep dive into client's business, align AI voices and solution with goals, address customer pain points, language and guarantees, language of the AI voice agent, and see uh, and ask all the information you need from them to help them. You know, onboarding call is just to welcome them and set agenda for how it will work. So let's move forward and see service delivery. Building your AI voice agent in a simple process with clear steps. So first step is planning and discovery, and you have already done on the onboarding call. By we understand your needs, goals, and what your customers want. Yeah, and the design. We create a user-friendly design and conversation flow. This is what you will do on design. Development. We build the AI model and connect it to your systems. This is what will be done. Training and testing. Fourth step, we ensure everything works perfectly through testing and training. Fifth step, we launch your AI voice agent and integrate it across all your platforms. Sixth step, we continually improve the agents based on feedback and data. And the seventh step, maintenance and support. We provide ongoing support and updates. So this is how it works on service delivery part. So AI voice is in development, white label partnership opportunity. Now you know what is AI voice agent. And if you don't have any development background, no problem. We are here to help you. And just need to understand how it will work. And to understand, let's see what you can offer to your clients. Custom AI voice agents deliver tailored conversational voice assistants using advanced speak recognition, NLP, and text to speech. Integrate seamlessly with CRMs and other systems. Voice analytics and reporting provide performance dashboards with metrics like accuracy, engagement, and satisfaction. offer periodic reports to demonstrate agent effectiveness, ongoing AI model training and fine tuning, ensure continuous improvement through regular updates and integration of customer feedback to enhance agent performance, platform for easy management, access a user friendly white label platform for effortless AI voice agent development, plus smooth API integrations with client systems. Full support and maintenance, offer routine system updates, bug fixes, and technical support to resolve any issues promptly and keep agents running smoothly. Consulting and training help clients maximize the impact of their AI voice agents through tailored consulting best practices and industry specific customizations. You know, so let's move forward and see. Here's the breakdown of the roles. This is a breakdown. Let's see. White label agency developer. This is an agency like SG is me that builds and develops a AI voice agent solution. We provide the technical expertise, platform, and backend support, ensuring that the solution works seamlessly. All the solutions we create are customized, but they are delivered without any branding, so that another agency can brand them as their own, and you can do that too. We offer the development, support, maintenance, and any ongoing updates to these products, but the end client will not know as it was developed by SC. They will only know it's coming from the agency they hired. And then there's reseller agency. This is the agency that buys the white label product, AI voice agents, and resells it to their clients under their own brand. And you can do that too. The reseller agency is responsible for sales, customer relationships, and client management. They are the ones who market, pitch, and manage the client facing aspects of the project. They will work with SG, the white label agency, to ensure the product is delivered to the client as per their specifications. In simple terms, white label agency is developer, provides the product. Reseller agency is seller sells the product under their own brand. The client is the end user of the product, but they interact with reseller agency, not directly with the white label agency. So let's see how it works. What's the communication flow? Here's how we work with your agency to deliver this service to your clients. Agency to white label agency. You reach out to us to understand the services we offer, get access to the tools, and discuss how to integrate them into your business model. We provide you with all the necessary resources, technical documentation, training materials, and co branded marketing content if needed. We work closely with you during the development process to ensure everything aligns with your client's goals. Agency to client. Your agency sells AI voice agent solutions under your own brand with the benefit of our robust backend infrastructure. You handle client interactions, project management, and client expectations, while we ensure the technical development and deployment run smoothly. You will be in charge of pricing, customer support, and managing the project scope with your client. White label agency to client, indirect. We support your agency with regular updates and technical assistance. We don't communicate directly with your clients, but are available whenever you need our expertise to solve any technical issue or provide solutions to challenges. So, how the pricing structure works for your agency? White label agency fees, development costs. We charge a flat fee for building custom AI voice agents based on the complexity of the solution. Example, starting from $10,000 depending on the scope of the project. Subscription fees for ongoing maintenance, training, and support. We offer a recurring monthly fee. Example, $500 to $2,000 per month based on the level of support and updates required. For your agency's clients, you have the flexibility to set your prices and mark up the white label agency's cost as you see fit. Typical markup ranges from typical markup ranges from 30% to 100% depending on the project complexity and value added service. Initial setup fee, you'll charge your clients a one-time fee for the development and deployment of the AI voice agent. Example, a basic solution might cost $15,000, while a more advanced solution could go up to $50,000. Monthly maintenance and service fees. You will also offer your clients ongoing support, updates, and optimizations for a recurring fee. Example, $1,000 to $5,000 per month, depending on the service package. So this is how you can do this, and these numbers are just for example, and we can always talk about it, you know. And as far as comes to the a markup fee. Let's say if I'm giving you any AI voice agent for $5,000, you can sell it for $10,000, $20,000, and $50,000. It's upon you. It's totally upon you. So it's on your negotiation skills. So let's move forward. What's the payment process? Client payments to your agency. You collect the project fees directly from your clients. Initial payment, typically 50% of the total project cost, is paid upfront. Final payment, the remaining 50% is due upon project completion prior to the launch. For recurring services, payments are processed monthly or annually. Payments from your agency to us. You can opt for flexible payment terms depending on your preferences and the specifics of your client deals. You will pay us a set fee for development and a recurring fee for ongoing support. Payments are typically invoiced on a monthly or a project-based schedule, depending on your contact with us. A contract with us. For example, initial development fee paid upfront or in two installments. Ongoing support fees, monthly, quarterly invoices based on the service level agreement. So this is how it works. And and if you have any questions, just book the call with me. And if you want to move forward, also book the call with me. And if you don't understand anything but still want to move forward, also book the call with me. And I will see you on the call. See ya.